Welcome to Platt 365. I'm Bob.
Lisa.
And that's Nicole. We have 3 girls and our goal is to travel cross country on an RV trip. We bought a 5th wheel, picked it up, and we are on our way. We're about 3 weeks in and we are currently in Orlando. We came from
St. Augustine.
And you should subscribe so that you can catch all our episodes, so subscribe below. We are having a blast doing this, so come on.
We're learning a lot.
We've learned a ton. We made it. Where are we?
St. Augustine, the oldest settlement in America.
That's right, St. Augustine. And we're gonna go look at a castle. No.
A fort.
Fort, yes. And maybe some other stuff. We had a cool little drive through an old...
And Dad promised us ice cream afterwards.
Yes, most importantly, there's ice cream after this.
Now you get to walk your big chair back really quick.
What a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Let's go check it out inside.
Yeah.
We set sail. He gained sight of land on the...
Wow, look at this. Look, it's the drawbridge.
Was there used to be water around this?
I don't know. Revenge.
There's another fort that's further south.
Where? That way?
Across the other side. There's this one, and then there's another fort over there that they call it guarding the back door.
Oh.
And so it prevented people from approaching from the south.
The design of this is really interesting because you can get line of sight from like anywhere. Please keep off cannons and walls. Look at this one. This one's crazy looking. That's like a mortar round. It was a good amount of time, those snake girls.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yes.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, this is cool. Was that cannon loud?
Ooh, you want to go down here? Ah! I'm gonna go way around you because I am terrified.
Get a picture of Lisa touching that snake. She hates snakes.
Y'all want a picture?
Oh, no, it's okay. But that's pretty cool. That was hilarious.
I do not like snakes. How many times do I
wanted to
have?
go down there. You didn't see the snake.
I did not see the snake.
You're like, hey, let's go down that alley. And I looked
Obviously.
down, I saw the massive snake. I'm like,
It's
Not my favorite animal.
we purchased the annual pass for the National Park System, and I think it was a great deal. It was $80, and it would have cost us $30 to go see that fort, so that was pretty good, and I'm pretty sure we're going to make good use of that going cross country.
We were at the fort because we watched their little demonstration, which was cool. They had their volunteer demonstration and they fired a cannon.
That was cool.
That was cool.
But that
So
was
the
outside
whole
of that.
thing, yeah, I mean, you didn't have to pay for that demonstration, but the whole thing, we were probably there for about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
But it was nice.
Yeah, and so half hour, but you know, for $30, that's a little steep. But to get the National Park Pass feels like a good deal.
Yeah.
And then we walked down the streets. They had some little streets that it's the oldest city or establishment or whatever you want to call it in America. So
Yeah.
there is some old stuff, old little streets and stuff.
But donk.
and the truck is rather large for this parking structure.
We discovered that when it says a 7'2" clearance, we're good except for the antenna hits every single sign.
We are leaving Hannah City Park in Jacksonville, Florida, and heading to, where are we going?
Bullo RV Resort in South Flagler Beach. Don't know how you say that.
And let me tell you about Hannah City Park. It's filled with beautiful trees, beautiful
chunk out of that tree.
trees.
Let's just go down the middle of the white lines.
Oak trees.
But it is not easy to get in and out of this park.
The trees like to reach out
and grab you.
And you see like chunks missing off of the, yeah, that's scary.
Yeah.
And so we were waylaid by about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. It wasn't too bad. The big A-class got kind of stuck in between, couldn't like get through the big massive trees. So we're now headed out. We made it. Well, we have one
more tree that literally has orange warning tape wrapped around it because so many people have hit it. So what did he say? We're supposed to stay
to the right. Stay to the right.
Instead of the left.
Stay to the right. And then we'll be out of this. It's really beautiful, very pretty, but a little slightly terrifying with not a whole lot of experience trying to. Whoa. Trying to.
Are we here?
You were saying?
Whoa.
Are we here?
No, honey, we're
leaving.
We're leaving this one.
You good?
Why do you ask? I'm fine.
So we're going to Flagler Beach. There's a fishing pier that looks kind of neat. So we're gonna go check that out, walk out on the pier. That's always fun. This RV park is different. Each one we've been to is a little different than the other. They charge $1.50 to go out on the pier per person, which I think is really silly. And nice sunglasses, by the way.
Thank you.
So we're gonna just hang out
Thank you, Auntie Sonia.
We're just gonna walk out on the beach because it's gorgeous. This beach has red sand.
Yeah.
Brown, red?
Red.
It's red, which is different. We're used to white beaches, I guess. But it's pretty cool. There's people out there surfing, and this is pretty sweet. Whoa, and some big shells. Look at that shell. Look at these shells. This is awesome. Look at this red sand. Isn't this crazy?
Wow, look at those big ones over there.
Wow, Nicole, check out these shells over here.
Without making any divots.
That's a little chillin'. Oh wow, look at that. This beach is pretty neat. It's totally different. More shelly. Shelly? That doesn't make sense. More like whole shells. Not as soft. There you go. Not as soft. Nicole wants to go in the water, but she doesn't want to go in the water.
She wants to feel the water, but she's afraid of the water.
I think it's the waves. Ready? On three. 1, 2, 3.
Flagler Beach! That's cool!
We have a minor meltdown with a 3-year-old. Found a sand crab. Here, put your shell down. I'll put him in the shell. Oh, he's got a baby with him.
What?
There's a baby with him.
Oh.
Should we bury them so that
We should pick them up and put them closer to the water so that they
Are there
can
more
dig.
babies in there?
There might be.
So I had never heard of using baby powder to get sand off of feet, but apparently this is what Lisa does. Hey, Lisa, where'd you learn this trick?
Newport Beach,
Yeah.
Southern California beach, going there all the time.
We are leaving Bulo. Still don't know how to say it. Resort, Encore, part of the Thousand Trail system. The kids really enjoyed the pool. There was a neat beach that it was maybe 5 miles away. We had to drive to, but that was fine. We were just here for a couple days, and now we're heading down to Orlando. We are headed to Disney Springs.
Also formerly known as Downtown Disney.
There's a big dragon. Big dragon.
There's a big lake dragon.
Lego.
Oh, Lego dragon.
Big one.
A big one. Mickey, which one do you like better, Mickey or Minnie?
I like Minnie.
Do you? Yeah.
Yeah, I like the two girls.
Yeah. Oh, and was it Daisy Duck or something?
Yeah. Yeah,
Disney
Disney duck.
Duck?
No. Daisy.
Oh, Daisy.
Yeah, Daisy.
Candy Cauldron. You girls want to check out the Candy Cauldron?
Yes.
All right, let's do that.
Oh, I think I know what those are for. Those are for those in the very back.
Yeah.
The chocolate and they might. And Olaf. The chocolate.
And there's
Olaf.
Olaf too. You are right.
Hilton.
Yeah, you want to go check that out?
Uh-huh.
Disney.
Heading to the Ghirardelli store, and then what? You used to be so afraid of that alligator.
Nowhere is growl.
Yeah. How was the chocolate?
Good. Oh, she wanted a real person.
Oh.
The big dragon? No, I see.
Did it freak you out a little bit?
No.
No?
And yes.
Don't look now, but there's a dinosaur right above you.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Look.
I don't want to look.
Look, it's straight up.
I don't want to.
Everybody have a good time?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part? I know what Nicole's favorite part was.
What?
The volcano.
No.
No? You didn't like the volcano?
No.
We are headed to Disney Boardwalk.
Which is right next to the place we went to with the fire.
You're right. Right next to the place with the fire. We're heading into the Disney Boardwalk. No idea what to see here. And we're gonna probably go take a boat ride.
We're hoping to take a boat ride.
This is pretty neat. Check this place out. Cheese. Are we on a boat?
Yeah.
So weird.
No, Danielle, I think you have a good claim on your...
Like, why is it swan and dolphin?
Should be
It
swan and-
fish.
Swan and trout.
Swan and trout.
This doesn't quite have the same ring as swan and dolphin, though.
The swan and trout.
Swan and trout.
So which side do you want to be on, the swan or the trout? I'll take the swan.
I'll take the trout.
What did you think, girls? It was all right, right?
Yeah.
Girls are looking forward to the ice cream we have waiting for them back at the rig.
Chocolate and the cookie dough.
Chocolate and the cookie dough.
Chocolate chip with cookie dough.
Yes.
Yeah.
But
Very
it was,
yummy.
I think the swan and dolphin.
Swan and trout.
Swan and trout.
Yeah, the swan and dolphin is not really named very well because it's clearly a swan.
And
But
clearly not a dolphin.
It is not a dolphin. It's not even close to a dolphin.
It's like
Danielle
a-
decided it looks like a trout.
Yeah, and it's like got smashed into its face into
Yeah.
the ground. I don't know, it's weird. But the hotel looked really nice.
Oh, it did. The hotel looked very nice, and the boardwalk was great. Very different vibe from Disney Springs. Disney Springs just kind of has that Disney hype media thing going on, and the boardwalk was like totally chill and relaxed.
Yes.
Yeah, if we didn't have three little munchkins with us, Bob and I could have hung out there for a couple hours.
Yeah.
It's not big at all.
No.
It's much, much smaller.
I think at nighttime though, it probably comes alive.
I think you're probably right.
I think there's, it seems like it's geared for outdoor.
It's geared for outdoor dining and entertainment.
Yeah.
And it's probably just at nighttime that they do most of it.
Yeah.
So there are probably 8 to 10 restaurants on the boardwalk that have seating that's probably prime seating on the boardwalk in addition to seating inside.
Yeah.
So that was kind of cool. How did you like it, Bob?
How did I like what?
The boardwalk.
Yeah, it was nice. It was nice. I liked walk. It was a good little walk, you know.
Yeah. The
And
boat thing was nice.
The boat was fun, and kids liked that. Danielle was so excited about the boat ride. Look at that face. I know you want to smile.
Even more fun, we talked about boys with Danielle.
Hey!
Hey.
Why did you say that on camera?
Oh my.
For that reason right there.
Oh my. We've enjoyed our time in Orlando. We got to see some Disney stuff. And
Yes.
yeah, so yeah, again, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe below, and come along for the adventure.